Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A10 and today I'll show you how to record screen on this device. Now unfortunately there is no built-in screen recorder, so we'll need to get one from Play Store. So let's open it up and simply search for some kind of screen recorder. And as you can see, there is plenty of them to choose from. As you can see, some of them show you that they have ads in them. Some of them just try to bullcrap their way into making you think that they don't like this application right here. So don't fall for it. It's just a BS. It still has ads and they are annoying. So I'm just gonna pick the most downloaded one. Select install. And from here, once it's installed, let's open it up. We do need to allow it to draw over apps, so let's see if it, there we go, allow permission. Now we can go back, it's already enabled. Let's agree, and all we need to do is select start, allow, got it, okay. And from here, as you can see, once you enable it, you have this little pop-up right here, this tiny little window. Once you tap on it, you can start recording, access settings, go home, and also, what else? This option. Alright, so we have a couple toggles that we can use, I believe, while probably recording as well. So anyway, let's start recording by tapping on a circle right here. Allow. Now we do have a couple different resolutions, so unfortunately the 1080p and 2K are apparently a VIP, which you need to most likely pay for, which already makes this up kind of worse than I thought it is. So we're locked to 720p max. Select start. As you can see, it counts down and then it will record. So anyway, once you're done, you can stop it from recording right here by tapping on the square. It will save it up, give you some kind of annoying ad as well. And you can see the video right here. You can either edit it, share it, or delete it from here. And also if you just get rid of it, you can find the video in your gallery application. There we go, gallery. And it is right over here. There we go, that's the recording. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.